Hi everyone! With years of experience in the automotive industry, we have combined quality with trust. Today is the official distributor of ClearPro in Turkey. We are proud to represent a globally trusted brand. That's why we stand behind ClearPro.
Hi all, Elizabeth here from ClearPro Africa, first woman-owned PPF company in Africa and sole distributor for ClearPro Optic in Africa. I look forward to partnering with exclusive detailers and installers, and I look forward to this exciting journey ahead.
Hello everybody, Craig here. Excited to be assisting Elizabeth in this new venture in Africa as ClearPro Africa.
Hi, my name is Paweł Laskowski. I run Morpho, ClearPro authorized distributor in Poland. We have been searching for PPF manufacturer for a long time. Finally, we chose ClearPro because we were impressed with the high quality, the ease of installation and the great look of the car. Since then, our customers, detailing workshops and car owners, they have confirmed every day that we made the right choice. The long-lasting protection and the flawless appearance of the car are the result of ClearPro's extensive innovation and modern technologies they use. So, if you are looking for solid partner, perfect PPF for install or for sale in your country, I'm sure that ClearPro is the way to go.
Уважаемые партнеры, желаем успешной выставки. Пускай SEMA Show в этом году всех порадует. Всем привет из Санкт-Петербурга в Лас-Вегас.
Hello, I'm Abdurrahim from Qatar. As an official ClearPro dealer, I'm always impressed by the quality of their PPF. Want the best PPF for your customer? Choose ClearPro.
Hello guys, I'm Sharat from Mauritius and we are ClearPro. Welcome to visit ClearPro at SEMA Show number 55219.
大家好，我是 ClearPro 在台湾的总代理，在这里特别祝福 ClearPro 在今年的展会可以圆满的成功，也期待透过这次的展会，让更多人认识到这么优秀的品牌。
Hello and Namaste. I am Ricky from India. We are proud to be associated with ClearPro as the official and exclusive agent for India market. ClearPro stands from their unmatched quality of PPF and window fill, providing long-lasting protection and making your vehicles look brand new. We are thrilled to announce our participation at SEMA Show from 4th to 7th November and our booth number is 55219. See you there. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Shoaib Sheikh and I'm from Rahim Impact Sialkot, Pakistan. I'm the authorized distributor for ClearPro in Pakistan. ClearPro is just not PPF. It protects your beauty and your love with don't-cheer 12 marks and scratches. So only choose ClearPro for your beauty and for your love.